on, guys? If you're new to the channel, welcome. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today I'll be doing some tacos. I love tacos. I'll show you guys today how to quickly make some delicious tacos. Let's start. And I'm first gonna show you how it looks. So good, right? So these are pork and poblano tacos. And then I'll put in the links in the description the ingredients, and it tells you the steps and how to follow. Now, let's begin. Alright guys, now I'm gonna show you what I have chopped up. So here we have, it says to wash all the produce, cut the limes, which are here. Then you're gonna cut the tomatoes, which are right here. The shallots, which are right here. And the poblano, which is right here. And then it also wants me to cut in some of the kiwi, which is right here, to give it a little extra taste. This is like a fancy way of doing tacos. Yeah, so now we're gonna put in the meat and put all the ingredients. So now in the small bowl we're gonna combine the sour cream, which I have 2 packets here of sour cream. So we're gonna quickly mix that in. Next, we are going to, it says to squeeze a piece of lime inside here where the sour cream is, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna take a lime and then just squeeze it in there. And now we get to stir it with a spoon. So you're just gonna stir that in there. Make sure the lime gets all in there. Now it wants us to add in a tablespoon of water. Put a tablespoon of water. I'm gonna mix that again. Give it like a paste. All right. Then you are going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. So here I have my pepper. A little bit there and some salt. Very nice. So you want to stir it around again. And now what we're gonna do is, in a medium bowl, we're gonna get another one and we're gonna do the salsa, and I'll show you guys how do I make this salsa. So now we're gonna do the salsa. Now it wants me to put together the tomatoes. So we're gonna add the tomatoes over here. Add some more. Also now I'm gonna add in the kiwi. Kiwi looks so good. It's nice and fresh. I should have gotten a bigger bowl, but we'll see. It wants me to add the minced shallot. There we go. Get some more in there. Wow, it's a lot. If there's any left, I'll save you guys some. Alright, now let's see. It says it wants me to put in the cilantro and add some salt and pepper. So we'll just put some cilantro leaves. Cut them into like little pieces. I'm gonna have to change this to a bigger bowl so it can be easier to mix. So far, looks crazy. But I'm gonna get a new bowl. Alright, here we have another bowl. Let's just toss it all in there. That's better. Then we're gonna get a spoon just to mix it around real quick. Look at that. How delicious and good that looks. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Just put a little bit around. A little bit of salt. Then you're gonna mix it. Can't wait to have some of these tacos. All right, as you can see, it's nice and mixed. So now we're adding the poblano. So we're gonna throw that in. We're gonna put some oil in a pan and just throw in the poblano, let that warm up. You're gonna wanna stir it around. Smells good already. Oops. Then you're going to add the sliced shallots, which I have right over here. Gonna just sprinkle it all over. Now we're going to add the Mexican spice all over. Just put it all over, just a bit, save the rest. Ah, it smells really good. Only if you guys can taste this, which you can. I'll send you guys the ingredients. Alright, so after that it's stirred. See how it looks? Nice and colorful. And now we're going to let it cook for a few minutes. And then we're going to add the pork. So once the meat is cooked, you're going to then add the poblano with the shallots together, and then you're going to mix it. See, just like that. And then you're going to put in the rest of the Mexican spice blend. And then you're gonna put some more, just a little bit of the salt and pepper. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Let it cook for a little bit. Stock. Okay. Add that, and then we're gonna stir everything around. Now you're gonna want to add 1/4 of water, and we're gonna add some tomato paste, and then we should be all set. Gonna add it all over like that. The meat can be nice and thick, tasty. All right. See how that looks? Alright guys, we're all done. Now I'm going to show you how do I prepare my taco. So I'm going to put you guys down for a moment. Got my little setup here for Cinco de Mayo. Alright. And we're going to have a special contestant that's going to actually taste this. I'm gonna have my wife come to the kitchen and taste it. She's currently right now in the bedroom working, but she has no idea. All right. So we're gonna start off with the meat first. Get the spoon. Sorry guys, bear with me. So we're gonna take some of the meat, deliciousness. I'm gonna put it in the center. Oops. Let's put a little bit more. Then we want to put the nice, delicious, colorful salsa on top. Oops. Put that. Then we're gonna squeeze a little bit of the lime. Zoom in so you guys can see. I think that's butter. Let's see. Perfect. And then, last but not least, we're gonna throw a little bit of the sauce on top. There you go. And you can't forget some cilantro. Doop, doop. Just like that. What do you guys think? Pretty simple. Again, I'll put the ingredients down below so you guys can do your own tacos. Alright, now I'm gonna go get my wife, tell her to come to the kitchen, and let's see if she's willing to have this delicious taco.
Tacos for breakfast.
Look who doesn't know who's about to taste tacos. What time is it?
Too early for tacos. Maybe we can put some egg in there. Oh, that's amazing.
You want to go ahead and try it?
Am I really gonna eat it right now?
Come on. Do you like my setup?
I do.
It's very Mexican.
I'm worried we're not gonna have enough for later.
It's okay. What do you think? Do you approve? Let's see the insides there. Nice.
Ooh.
Oops.
Bit of kiwi.
All right. So I think my friend that's in my shirt liked the tacos as well, as you can see. All right, guys, that was it. Happy Cinco de Mayo. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is NY Selfmade 86. Peace.